Hi, I'm Brian, and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm in Peoria, Illinois, at the farm show. Let's go check it out. Of course, I gotta check out the vintage farm mall. Illinois Central Farm Heritage Tractor Club. Oh, a Hanley. That's cool. Of course, when I go to a new tractor show, I have to check out the vintage equipment too. I'm not really sure what that is. Don't know what it's for, but looks cool. Check this out, drones.
Hydraulic nozzles, you're only 4 gallon permit. I don't know the advantages necessarily, but correct. Yeah. You spin the dial faster, and you've got.
That's pretty cool technology. You fertilize without a guy in the airplane.
Where are you located?
They're still working on the turning around and moving around. It has GPS, but the GPS doesn't work real good. Down in the corn can.
At least it's slow, so.
And
That's pretty cool. I'm a bit out of element here. I haven't been to a new equipment show yet. It's kind of my test run. See if you guys, well, see if I can figure out what to look at. Oh, look at that, they got a fan up there spinning the windmill. That's pretty cool. The Breezy Mills. All right, let's see what else we got here. Oh, that's. We'll just film random things. What is this?
Wednesday, and then we will give this away right at noon.
There we go. The little tool section. I make stuff similar to that. We got some truck equipment here. These things are fascinating. I wonder how much weight they can pull. Here's one in action. Waiting for the there we go. I wanted to see the drone. Here we go.
Right, but I was going to say in theory,
That was wild.
it's actually an instrument.
I talked to the guy back there. Roughly 200 pounds with a full tank. That's pretty heavy. And it's governed, so you technically can lift more. Let's see, this is. Are they getting bigger, or is it just they look like they might be getting bigger. Look at this one over here. Look at that sucker. Okay, so I asked that guy. Realistically, 110 pounds payload, it'll dump it in like, the battery life is only 10 minutes, and it'll do 10 minutes and 10 minutes and 3 acres, roughly. And then it comes right back to where you started, you fill it, and it takes off. It's all completely automated. You just tell it where you want it to go, and it just does its thing. Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. So, what do you think? Should I come back to there's a show in Louisville coming up? This one's closer to the house. I thought I'd test it out on that. Should I go to one in Louisville? Let me know in the comments below. Hopefully I'll get a little better at filming it. All right, bye.